Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
ठीक है? How to create a repository, and then we'll do each and every step again today. Okay? So just keep an eye on what we are doing. अच्छा, किसी का अगर बना हुआ है repository and it's working fine, you can just go and click on that and it will open up for you. First step, ठीक है? So you have your repository over here. If you don't have your repository, how we will do that? New comes up, new, ठीक है? New, okay, fine. Let's go on to new. So it says owner. Who is the owner? I am the owner, Varsha Prog. Okay. Now repository name. So generally we keep in mind you are not supposed to put any space, anything in this name. Repository name. It should be a name. Huh? Let's say demo1 dot. So whatever the name is, you have to along with that add github.io. IO. GitHub spelling needs to be checked properly. And once it says github.io is available, that's okay. Means your जैसे हम we create email IDs ना, तो बहुत बार that account is not available. That thing is not available. So it gives me this thing. Okay. So once we have given this demo1.github.io, fine. So with this we are good to go. Now description is not required. Public में click करेंगे. Public need to be there because we are creating it on GitHub and we are not using paid service. ठीक है? तो public रहेगा. After that, initialize this repository with. हाँ? तो we will be adding a readme file. That's important. You need to do that. तो हम इस पे click कर देंगे. So far so good. Okay. Now we'll create repository. यहाँ जाएंगे. This green button, click. And that's it. We are there in the repository. ठीक है? So what we need to do is two things we need to understand. एक तो ये code thing है, and दूसरा is settings. These two things we'll touch. Rest all we are not going to touch. So when you are in code, यहाँ code पे जब होते हैं, orange line दिख रहा है? This code. So this kind of page will come up. ठीक है? इसमें हम जाएंगे main में. This main is there. इसकी branching करेंगे. ठीक है? So branching जैसे folder के अंदर folder डाल देते हैं ना. Similar over here also. So we are creating a branch of it and we are saying gh-pages. Okay. And so it says create branch gh-pages from main. Yeah, create. तो देखो अभी you can see over here now it has changed from main to gh-pages. Right? Fine with this? Huh? Now, so two branches it shows gh-pages. One is main, another one is gh-pages. So we are good to go now. Now go on to settings. जिसने भी यहाँ issue नहीं किया है solve, वो problem आएगी. That 404 error comes up. So go on settings. Go over here, right? Where I am moving my cursor. हाँ? यहाँ पे code and automation में branches comes up. ठीक है? Check out your branches. If you have are facing issues, check out your branches. Is it pointing to main या फिर वो gh pages है? and GH हाइफन है, डैश हाइफन कुछ भी कह सकते हो, हाइफन इज द वर्ड फॉर इट, डैश, अंडरस्कोर नहीं है, ठीक है. And go over here because we are putting it inside our GH pages. So go over here and select this. Now update. I understand, update the default branch. Click. Okay, fine. Okay, so GH pages till this point is that is fine. Okay, so this check again when we are in code. यहाँ पे हमारा ये this should be GH pages. If it is not, go over here and write down GH dash pages. ठीक है, and it will say create a branch. So yes, create a branch. So we'll change this to this one and we are in GH pages. And pages ही रखना है, page मत करना उसको. अभी जैसा the way I am giving it, keep it that way only. Fine. Okay. Now again in settings, go and change and check. Okay, branches में are we on GH pages? If no, go from here and switch it to GH pages. Select this one and update. तो अपडेट करेंगे, फिर वो अपडेट में आई अंडरस्टैंड अपडेट द डिफॉल्ट ब्रांच, फाइन. सो दिस कम्स अप, ठीक है. टिल दिस पॉइंट वी आर गुड. हाँ, अब क्या करना है, गो बैक ऑन कोड नाउ. ओके, नाउ गो ऑन कोड पार्ट. कोड में वी कैन सी ओनली वन फाइल, readme.mb. दिस इज इनिशियल कमिट, कीप इट दैट वे ओनली, डोंट टच इट. हमें उसमें कुछ नहीं करना है. ओके, नाउ I'll show you first कि हम कोई भी फाइल लोड कैसे करते हैं. हमने पूरा कोड डायरेक्टली बना रखा है. इंडेक्स फाइल वी ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड ना, उसको हम ओपन कर लेंगे, we'll see. But index file we already created. Create file, that we'll see in this. How to create file, that we'll see. We already made index file on in our 7th lesson, right? So you must be having all those files over here. Huh? Okay, so you can see in my case index.html is the page over here. Once this is done, this radio button will be on commit directly to GH pages branch. Check that whether it is this one or is it saying main branch. If it is main branch, go back again, change the setting. Although if you have done it once properly, it won't ask you that. Okay, now we'll click on commit changes. Click. Fine. Add files via upload, ये दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. अब if I want to open any one of my files, I can go over here, I can click it. ठीक है, क्लिक किया तो this files comes up. जो भी हमने लिखा था ना कोड, it is over here. Okay, and somehow if I want to edit it, मुझे कुछ इसमें change करना है, color change करना है, या anything I want to change, there is a pen which says edit this file. So I can edit it from here. ठीक है, right now I'm not editing it because Apurva, what happened? Is it not working? Where to do all this work? You can't sign up with GitHub, then that's not possible, na? With GitHub, you have to sign up. That's what we did last time also. You have to create your account on GitHub. Okay. So this part, if it is done, I'm not editing it, I'm not changing anything in it. I'll go on to settings. Okay. Now my repository name is demo1.github.io and my branches is GH pages. So I'll go back again on settings. So this kind of page you must be finding. हाँ, इस तरीके का पेज दिख रहा होगा. जो एरर आ रहे हैं जिनके लिए, ये किस पे आ रहा है, स्पिरिचुअल कैपिटल पे आ रहा है. Okay, we'll check out, we'll try to debug why this is coming. Heritage page, this is loading fine. Huh? And serene beaches, this is also working fine. Okay, let's see once again spiritual people. So there is a problem. Okay, now see debug कैसे करते हैं. I'll go back on my GitHub account. इसमें बैक चले गए और we'll go on code again. ठीक है, कोड पे जाएंगे. So I need to first check my index और spiritual में प्रॉब्लम था ना, तो first see whether spiritual file is there or not. If file is missing, it won't work. So see, my spiritual file is not there. It's not loaded. Okay, my file, spiritual file is not here. Anywhere I can't find it. Right? Okay, so I need to go back and add one more file. Upload files. Choose your files. Now I'll find out where is my spiritual file. Okay, this one. Huh? I go open it up over here. It's now over here. ठीक है, अगर हमारी फाइल मिस हो गई है उस रिपोजिटरी में, it won't show you. What it is trying to do, it is trying to fetch that file and load it on browser. So this whole thing is on server now. So if you have not loaded your file on server, it won't work. Simple as that, right? So try to debug in this way. Okay, now commit changes. So whenever you are putting up your file, you have to commit changes. Fine. Now let's see whether it is there. Yeah, over here now. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back. So this has been committed now, and so we'll try to go on settings. और ये हम ना link जो है, once we have created it, we can keep it and save it. Huh? And we don't need to go again and again on this.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.